Hey everybody, Mr. Sapp here, and this is it. This is the last project we have for this year. You're going to make a poster showing me where you live. So I'm going to show you how to take some pictures. You've got to have 4 pictures that are going to be in your poster that show me a little bit about where you live. You have 2 ways you can take pictures. You can use your computer or you can use your phone. We did this similarly with our video about staying safe. I just want to show you how to do that. The things that you need to remember to do when you're taking your pictures to make them good is you need good lighting, so we're outside, so there's lots of light today, especially since it's daytime. Second thing is you need to show us what we really want to be able to tell what you're trying to show us. That means that we understand what we're seeing in the picture. We're not sitting there looking and wondering, what is this supposed to be of? And the last thing is the rule of thirds. Using all 3 of these together really can help us get some good pictures. If you use the rule of thirds, that can guide us to what we're supposed to be looking at. Good lighting will let us be able to see it. And then you using your thinking and really focusing on, hey, this is what I want people to see, that will help you make sure that you do these things. So let's get into this, and we're going to use our computer first, and then I'll show you how to use your phone to get those pictures. Okay, on our computers, we're going to use Photo Booth. So let's jump into the computer and I will show you how to do that. You go to Photo Booth, open it up, and I'm going to make it full screen. And I have my screen covered up. There I am. Hey everybody. So Photo Booth, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can take a picture with you in the screen, or you can take a picture when you're not in the screen. Okay, so good lighting. We already have good lighting because, like I said, it's daylight outside. The subject, we have to really think about what we want to show people. So what I want to show is my house right here. And so I'm going to take a picture with me in it. And so I want to make sure that we see the house, that it's clear, that we understand, we get a good view of it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of lining it up to look and make sure I can see the full house and I can see me. Now, I've done pictures so much that I kind of start thinking in rule of thirds, but we really want to think about where that rule of thirds are. I'm on that 1/3, the house here, the top windows are on that top line, kind of line with my eyes, and the other window is right here with that bottom third. And so all we're going to do is just take a picture, get it set, hit the picture button, 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay. Review your picture after you take it. Make sure that it is what you want, and I think it's pretty good. I'm going to show you how to take the picture without yourself in it, so step out of the way. This is a little trickier because you have to kind of try to balance it and not be in the picture. Okay, we're lining it up. My porch right there is in that third, the lower third, and I want to make sure we see everything. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again, I'm going to review my picture, and that looks pretty good. Okay, so that's it for a picture with the computer. I'm going to show you what to do with those pictures in just a minute. Next, we can use our phone. I'm not going to take the picture with me in it. If you want to do that, you can, but since I'm going to treat this like a camera, I'm going to just turn and take the picture. So let's line this up. I'm going to open my camera up here. I already have the rule of thirds lines on there, and so you get set up, and again, you're following the same thing. You want to look at the lines for the rule of thirds. We're lining up the house, the porch, in the bottom right hand side, and I'm just going to take a picture. You want to make sure that the house is what I'm looking at, and the house is what I see. There's not extra things. I'm not super wide, like I see the neighbor's house and the blank yard and stuff like that. I'm really focusing on my house. Now that we take the picture, I'm going to show you how to get it to yourself so you can edit with it. We want to open a new folder on our desktop so that we can save these photos and keep them organized. I'm going to call this Home Pictures, and it's easy. You just drag your photo from Photo Booth on top of the folder and save it. I took 2 pictures, so I'm just going to drag both of them over. And I just like to double check the folder and make sure that they're there. Okay, from my phone, you're going to open up your pictures, click select, choose the 2 pictures, hit the share button in the bottom left hand side, and I'm going to send an email. I'm going to send it to my staff.goshenschools, my Google email, and I want to make sure that I'm sending it from my Goshen Schools account just to make sure that it goes smoothly. Just looking at the pictures, make sure they're there, type in a subject, and then hit the send button. I'm going to choose the large size, those will be big enough for a poster, and hit send again. Next, I go to my Google email, click on the download button, and I will choose the desktop and go to the folder that I have for my pictures, and then hit save. I'll do that for the second photo as well. And then you're done. Once you have your pictures done, either from your phone or from your computer, you have them saved on your computer, you're ready to plan. That's the next video, is planning. Following planning, we'll be working on Canva, and I will create videos for those. And once you're done creating your poster on Canva, it's time to get it reviewed and then turn it in. Be sure to follow the steps on Canvas, on our Canvas page, and you can also click on the links inside the description of these videos to be able to go on to the next step. This is what we've got to do for the next 2 weeks. We've got 6 class periods to complete this, and I'm trying to keep it simple, so good luck. And remember, send me an email if you have any questions. Talk to you guys later.